Merchandise.
Yeah. Puro wine siya. Ayan. Ayan o. Ito, maliit pa to actually. And then this is connected to the Wineries estates. And ayan, there are different kinds of wines. Wow. Gusto ko to, yung natural sunlight. And this one is the Wineries estates. Ayan siya. I wonder what these are. Oh, syrups. May bar doon sa taas. Siguro pang tasting. Yan. So, dito si Kat. Bibili ka ba? Mahal eh. Okay, so yun na nga yun. Yun ang Sandhill Winery.
Winery, ano?
Oo, Sandhill. Tapos, alam nyo, pag pupunta kayo ng mga liquor store, ang daming Sandhill. Tapos, meron din, nakakonect sila sa Wayne Gretzky. Ito. Kita niya ba? Hindi ko alam. But, anyways, ito ang nakuha namin doon. Wala kami nabila. But we got free books! Ayan siya. Dito tayo. Tadala! Okay, so, wala sila yung parang, showroom? Ano yun?
Ano lang sila dito, tasting shop lang sila
Tasting
dito.
room.
Tasting room, oo. Pero yung wine na fino-focus nila is yung mga mild lang na wine. Yung hinahanap namin
Whites
na wine.
and rosés, ganon.
Yes, oo.
So, Kat likes red wine na, ano ba yan? Cabernet Sauvignon.
Meron silang Pinot Noir, pero...
Pinot Noir!
pero, mas masarap kasi talaga yung Sauvignon. Kaya, let's see.
Okay, we're gonna drive again. Hello everyone. So, ngayon naman, nasa Quails Gate tayo. Quails Gate, estate, something, winery, vineyard, ganun. And, this is one of the bigger ones. We were trying to go to the little ones, but then the little ones don't have like a showroom, wine room.
Wala, oo.
They just have like the wine tasting.
At saka meron silang maliit na area para lang talaga for
Kaya doon na lang tayo sa big ones, I guess. So tomorrow, which is Sunday, magiging Sunday bukas, may reservations kami sa Mission Hill for lunch. So doon kami magla-lunch, and then we'll walk around, and then after that we're gonna head home probably. And then so today will just be eto na yung Quails Gate
wine shop hopping.
Oo, pero wala kaming nabibili kasi we don't need wine.
Gusto lang namin ng wine. Gusto lang namin tignan din yung mga
wineries.
pwede namin puntahan just in case.
Just in case ano?
Just in case gusto ng wine or may mga isa-celebrate, mga ganun.
True. Ang kasi, ang Kelowna, it's known for like the vineyards, the wineries, and obviously the lake. And then orchards, like. So we're here that because of that. So we gotta do that. Okay, so we'll just go in.
Inside.
Yeah. Ayan, says welcome to Quails Gate. So ayan ang view. Bango. Parang wood.
Wood.
Yeah. So, pwede mag-walk around dito and mag-picture taking. So, yan. Ayan yung wine shop sa taas, wine tasting room. And then, may restaurant din sila right there. And these are the vineyards. So, I think we can go walk around. Let's try walking around. Yeah. Ayan yung restaurants. And then, may market din sila. I guess this is for just the wines. Wow, they even have a waterfall. Wow. Wow, ang ganda naman dito.
Cute, no?
Oh, it's so pretty. So we're just, let's keep walking. Let's see what's here. Oh, yeah. Ang tawag sa restaurant nila, Old Vines. Ayun palang market. Ayun. Ang ganda kasi. Like, look. Yung, vines, it's like, it's running up the walls. Ayun, no?
Wow. There, look.
Anong tawag sa ganyan? Like rustic? Is it rustic?
Not sure.
I don't know. Ito yung market nila. Oh! They have like charcuterie boards. Yeah. The market at Quail's Gate. Wow. So cute. Oh, this is like this is called the Allison House. Yeah, kanina pala nasa east tayo. East Kelowna. Yeah. Yeah.
Ganda?
Yeah. Ang sunny na. No?
Yeah.
Doon.
Mag-order tayo ng ano?
Ng kape. Magpupunta pa tayo sa isa pa eh. Hindi ko alam. Yung sa Grizzly, nakita mo yun, di ba? Ito pa sa hindi dapat ito tampanin yam. So, 10 out of 10. That was fun. No? Maganda dito. Ang ganda ng view. And it's very fresh. Nakaka-feeling light.
Nakaka-feeling turista.
Turista!
Turista kami, girl.
Wait, doon yung parking natin. Nalito na kami. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, our next stop is
Grizzly!
Winery. This is probably our
Last stop for today?
fifth
Fifth.
stop. And we have not tasted or bought any wine.
Yeah, not yet. Kasi kung hindi man puno, wala sila yung hinahanap namin. So, at saka maganda lang din naman mag-ikot-ikot. Tinitingnan nga lang namin talaga yung mga different wines.
Yeah. So, pro tip sa mga pupunta dito sa summer and gustong mag-wine tour or wine tasting, magpa-book kayo in advance. Kasi if not, wala guys. Matagal lang hintayin nyo or parang
yung kanina, yung
just
Quail's
inconvenient.
Gate, ang ganda. Gusto namin pumasok doon. Kaso ang daming tao. May line up pa.
Kasi marami ding mga bridal shower and stuff. Yeah, maraming nag-wine tour. So, wine tasting kasama na dun sa package. And then, so, kung pupunta kayo, magpa-pre-reserve kayo ng wine tasting sa
That's true.
whichever one you want to.
That's true.
Okay, let's go to this Grizzly Winery. Maybe they have what Kat likes. Ayan siya. Ang ganda ng labas niya. And then, ganda. And then may nagwe-wedding. Uy, may nagwe-wedding pala. Kita mo? Siguro maganda yung venue nila. Sige, pasok na kami. Uy! Automatic door. Oh my God.
If it is here, I have to lift it up a little bit.
Hi!
Oh, they have a small decanter too.
They have? Oh, may pa-gallery din sila, oh. Ayan. Wow! I think so far this is my favorite one.
Yeah.
Next to, Quail's Gate. Wow! Ang daming space, guys. Oh. Wow, look at this monster. So happy. Wow. Ganda ng table, oh. Wow. Ang ganda dito. So, we bought ice wine, white ice wine, and it was so good, right?
Yeah.
We did some wine tasting, and
You
that
okay?
was, yeah. I don't really feel it feels like I ate something, like a lot of fruits. Am I red?
No,
Oh, okay.
you're fine.
But that was so good, right?
Yeah. So, maganda pala. Kung gusto niyo mag-try ng ice wine, meron marami dito sa Kelowna. I think meron naman sa mga liquor store natin. Pero according doon sa video na pinanood ko,
Only a few countries have it.
So, meron Germany, Austria, and then Canada. Kasi tayo lang yung may ideal na temperature to
And weather.
to make ice wine. So,
Yeah.
ito pala yung binili namin.
Ayan na. And this is all this is made here, sourced here. The grapes are from here, so that's kind of really crazy. And then we also bought a candle, but it's wrapped, so we're not gonna show you. But wow, that was really good. Apparently the white ice wine is good to pair with cheese, and I love cheese.
Yeah.
So we got that one. They have like a ice wine na red and ice wine na white.
Good. Okay.
That was really good. So if you guys are gonna come, go to Grizzly because that was really good wine. And then also we still have one more winery to go to tomorrow, but I think for the rest of the day today, because we already spent money on wine today, so we're not gonna go to any more wineries.
So maghahanap na lang kami ng mapaparkan.
Yeah, and then we're gonna chill there. We're probably gonna go to the beach right now because the weather is really nice. Also guys, nag-wine tasting kami, $15 lang siya. And then if you buy the wine,
Free lang siya.
yeah, you don't have to pay for the wine tasting. You just pay for the wine. So that was good kasi you get to try what you want to buy, and then you don't you don't feel sorry that you bought that one.
Yeah,
So you got to try it. Parang
So-
free taste sa sa Costco, ganun.
Oo. Kaso lang, kung hindi kayo bibili, that's okay still. Magbabayad kayo ng $15, pero that's already good.
True.
Kasi, magkano ba ang mga wines? Tapos, I think isang set, parang 4 na wines, no? Or depende sa klase ng wine na itatry nyo. Sa amin kasi, ice wine yung hinanap namin. May 4 na klase yung ice wine.
So we just did half of a flight. And kung tatanungin nyo kung pwede ba kayo mag-drive after, they only give like that, like very little, para lang ma-taste nyo yung wine. So like there's no reason for you to get drunk unless you winery hop and then you do the wine tasting at every single winery. But that's kind of wild. But yeah, we only did this one and it's really good.
Yeah.
10 out of 10 experience.
Guys, andito kami pala sa isa sa mga parks dito sa Kelowna. Hindi ko sure kung anong pangalan, nakalimutan ko, pero look at that. Wow. Kita naman ito. Oh, baby. Wow. Welcome to Mission Hill. Damn. Okay guys, so ito yung loob na Mission Hill. Mission Hill. Yeah. Look at that. Wow.
Look at these charging stations. They're not for Tesla, they're for Porsche. Crazy.
Okay, this is part of ano pala, Mission Hill. Doon tayo pumasok kanina. Doon kami nagpark. And then dito tayo maglalakad. Para makita niyo yung view. Ayan. Nagpipicture si Kim. Look at that.
1, 2, 3, smile. Another one. 1, 2.
Yan. So, yan yung view na makikita nyo. Pwede pala kayong maglakad-lakad dito. And then, eto, dito. Puntahan natin to. Wow.
No.
Oh guys, ito yung ano nila. Ito yung section ng Pinot Noir. Yan. Pasok tayo dito. Let's go. Oh, it's so nice. Okay, let's see. Wow. Hanap tayo ng washroom.
Such a...
Should we try to look?
Oh, wow. Wow. That's so nice. Look at all the barrels of wine. Wow. 40%. Rosé. This is inspired by Gucci. Yeah. Okay, bumili kami ng Cabernet Sauvignon ni
Yeah,
Kat.
so nahanap namin yung ano, we bought a
Yeah.
Cabernet Sauvignon. So,
Yeah, and then ito na yung the rest of the property. That one right there, that's the terrace. You can eat there. It's a restaurant. And then the rest of the property is just really nice. May pa-arc pa sila dito. And then let's walk over there. Anong masasabi mo?
excited.
This is like the best one, hey?
Yeah.
Like it's a real legit like estate
Yeah.
winery.
We tried other wines, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
Guys, ang ganda talaga dito. Parang European aesthetic. Ang ano niya. Ang vibe niya. See? So many picture-worthy na spaces. Tapos may mountains pa doon and then the lake. Nag-bring siya. May papel pa sila. Tapos tingnan nyo ang view dito. Wow! No. Ayan. Ang ganda, no? Naswertehan din tayo sa weather. Kasi diba dapat mag-rain. Ayun, no? Ang ganda ng restaurant talaga nila. This is the menu for the lounge. So we're going to have some charcuterie boards. We tried to do the dinner there, but apparently it is $150 per person, and it's a 4-course set menu. So that just means that we'll have to stay for a long time, and we decided kanina na we will just drive home tonight.
Yeah.
Kasi we're pretty much done here. Ito na ang aming charcuterie board. And it also came with bread. So, let's go. Wow. That looks good. Gusto niya yan.